Going to be taking a look at GEGP. 0003 right now, starting to make some moves. A lot of interest starting to build here with the volume. We have not got above 0003 since 2014. I want to point that out. That's the last time this stock has traded around the 0004, and it got up as high as 0006 right there that we see. Okay, so that was going to be on a volume day of 1 billion shares in 2014. What's going on right now? Is that share structure anything like that? I mean, you guys had 937 million shares traded on exactly just about 3 years ago. And then followed up off of that the following day at 1 billion. Currently right now, oops, go ahead, take that out. Currently right now at 56 million. I'm interested to see what's going on with this one. Again, there's not going to be too much information that I could put in here, unfortunately. But right now at 0003, we're going to be watching for a break of that. A lot of volume obviously coming into this one. So I would keep an eye on it. Accumulation possibly. We'll see what Joe has to say.
All right, so with these guys right here, I'm limited on the information. So I found a March 16th, 2017 as a Form 1012 GA. I pulled that up. I want to read it. It's kind of extensive, though. I mean, at this time when they reported this, let's see, we have no revenues for the years ended January 31st, 2015 and 16, and for the 9 months ended October 31st, 2016, or through the date of this filing. Our strategy is to seek an appropriate company as a working partner looking to develop new markets for its products or services. This may involve any of the following business strategies: license, co-ownerships, or distribution of a number of products and or services suitable for North American marketplaces. The working partner company will have to provide the proof to management of its ability to sustain operations while expanding its market reach. So employees as of October 31st, 2016, we have no full-time employees. Management is currently engaged in other endeavors and devotes as much time as it deems necessary to handle the affairs of the company with other services provided on a contract basis. I mean, I could keep going and reading more of it, but I mean, there's a lot of different things on this thing. Let's see how many pages. Pretty extensive. It's got to be at least over 50 pages. All right, so that's that with the news. I don't see any recent news on them either. Yeah, no news. I mean, they pink current, so pretty much it. All right, so if you have an opinion, you want to look into doing more due diligence on the company, just go right over to the GEGP board. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, which there isn't any. The filings, you'll get that at 10. And the financials, the buy rating. As always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using Investors Hangout Daily. I post them right over there on that GEGP board.
Right, and that's what Joe's talking about right here. GEGP, this is a time and sales, like I always say, one of my favorites, where you see the time, price, and volume of each trade right here at your fingertips. So if you don't have level 2, you can at least come here later on in the day and check out each trade completely free. Back over here on the chart, pulling down now to that 0002. Keep an eye on it. 0003 watch. Volume coming in here and could be setting up for a pop. Resistance at 0003 and 6. If you follow this one, I would definitely encourage you guys to call the company, get an update on the share structure, do your due diligence and research, obviously, but definitely find out the share structure, because we've talked about 1 billion shares traded around this area. It could be.
Well, I can tell you right now, David. All right,
yeah.
So as of March 14th, 2017, there was 25 billion shares authorized. And as of March 14th, 2017, there was 3,583,074,777 shares in the float.
All right. Well, thanks for the update. So, it's obviously going to be quite a bit of shares, but doesn't mean that you can't make money. So, keep an eye on it, play it safe. Like I said, with that amount of shares, if you were able to pick up 0001 as a gamble, whatever the case might be, do your own thing. GEGP, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and check out investorshangout.com and investorshangout.com/live for our live show.